Okay, so hi to future myself. So today I just bought a new mechanical keyboard for myself. Yeah, that is the Fox Katana X2, and it costed me around 1804 rupees. So actually, this is my life's first mechanical keyboard. Till now, I use the membrane keyboards. So that this is a big switch for me, and I was really hoping to get one from the last 1 year, I guess. I was thinking a lot about it, and today finally I bought it, and I'm really happy for this and grateful for this. Yeah, right now we're gonna unbox the keyboard. Let's go. Yeah, let's unbox this bad boy. I really hope that it is worth the price. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Fuck hell yeah. This is what I was talking about. Look at this beauty, man. And this we have got few accessories. Let me just open it. Here we have. I didn't get the stickers or what? Yeah, the stickers. Focus again. And it's the manual how the keys gonna work. And yeah, we have some extra blue switches if in case there is any damage to the blue cases, and we have a cap remover so that we can easily replace the caps. So let's just quickly turn on the keyboard and let's just hear its sound. I really purchased it for its blue switches because as many people know that blue switches make a lot of noise, which I really want. And it is a 82 layout keyboard, not like 60 or 70%. So that's what I was concerned about. And it has an elevation also. We're gonna do that. And let's unzip this one. And it was a need for me. It was not a want because my laptop keys are not working properly, and few keys like tab, backspace, and all they're not clicking and capturing in the display. So I had to get a keyboard. I thought to get this is the right time to get a mechanical keyboard because I'm doing a lot of typing right now, and I have a well grip on my speed. So if some spell mistakes happen, that is really annoying for me for my typing. So that's the reason I had to get this keyboard. I went for this particular brand because I went through the internet and all and researched well about the keyboards and all, which switches, what is the like what is the main purpose of the mechanical keyboard I bought. This is like mechanical keyboards are the top end keyboards, not the normal keyboards, so that is the really price we have to pay for it. And this is the cheapest mechanical keyboard I guess you can find. There are many keyboards like Amazon Basics and Cosmic Byte and all, but those are like for 60% of the keyboard, not the 82 keys. Those are 60 keys. So I really wanted the 82 keys because I really need the arrow keys and extra functional keys, so that it doesn't waste my lot of time in just searching the keys and find and just to type. Yeah, and I thought to get a red switch, but it is a keyboard which is swappable, and if in future I wanted to have less noisy keyboard, then I can easily switch it to red keys because the switches are swappable. Yeah, that was it. Let's just start the keyboard and see how it sounds. We're gonna keep the laptop here. We're gonna just plug in. See this bad boy. Look at this man. Do you hear that sound? See. Fucking shit, bro. And it has many settings to the lightings and all. We can just keep and hold this, and yeah, see. And again we can change the modes also. Yeah, that was it. And this is my first mechanical keyboard of my life, and I'm really grateful for it, for my father and my on their God. Thank you so much to my father, and also thank you to God. Yeah, that was it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, done.